Hello and welcome to this video that will show you how to see. How to see. I would just like to point out that I'm not actually a complete expert on this topic, and there may be around one or two of you out there that are possibly more knowledgeable in this area, especially because I only did around 2 minutes of research on this topic. With that being said, let's learn stuff. Sight is quite important for some people. It gives you vision of your surroundings, which helps you to not bump into things when you move around. If you are unable to see yourself, there could be multiple reasons for this, but hopefully one of these methods should be a good solution for you. First, we need to find where the source of sight comes from. If I'm not mistaken, sight comes from the eyes. I am grateful to have 2 eyeballs on my head. If you have 1 or 2 eyeballs yourself, then you're definitely heading in the right direction. Once you've located your eyeballs, you'll next need to check their status. Try waving a keyboard in front of you, just like this. If you can see the keyboard in your vision, then you're successfully able to see, and my work is done for you. You can even skip the rest of this tutorial, but if you're unable to see the keyboard, then you may have to try a few other methods in order to see. Something that you may not know is that the eyes can both open and close. If your eyes have been closed this whole time, then try opening them now. You should start to see things around you, and this should resolve all of your sight problems in most cases. Again, there may be people out there for whom this method did not work. Don't worry. It could just be because you're in a room with no light. In which case, you'll just need to feel around for a light switch or change a light bulb, and that should sort out your sight problems. Got there in the end. If you have tried that already and are still unable to see, then you may need to try some more drastic measures. Try feeling around for some glasses and put them over your head, just like this. If this is still not working to your satisfaction, then try feeling around for some more glasses, and that should give you double vision. Just put them on as well, just put them over your head. That's quite effective. If after all of this you're still unable to see, then maybe you should speak to somebody else. As I said, I'm not a complete professional in this field. I have very good knowledge on this subject, but not to the point where I can perform surgeries onto you, so maybe that is what you need. Maybe you need new eyeballs inserted into the eyeball sockets, or maybe you need brighter lights, or more glasses to be worn at the same time. I don't know what that is. It's quite a specialist area, and I only have so much knowledge in my brain case. So hopefully when you see someone else, they'll be able to correct your vision once and for all. And that completes the tutorial on how to see. I hope you now have 20/20 vision in your eyes. I don't quite have perfect vision in my eyeballs yet, possibly because I've been exposed to too much light. I just don't know, I'm not a specialist as mentioned. So I'm going to try and correct my eyesight myself, and hopefully I'll be able to see everything so vividly from now on. So I'll catch you all later, see you. I can't see anything now. Where is everybody?